Hey everyone, Mike Buenaventura here. Just finished up the show. The Archambault Buenaventura team was here at the Winnipeg Renovation show. We're going to be back at the Winnipeg Home and Garden show, so check us out there. I know you guys are all waiting for this draw. So we just did the draw for the home tech package. Check out the video for that. The next draw, the last draw, is the date night package. So that's a $100 gift certificate to the Keg and tickets in the Ticketmaster Lounge on Valentine's Day. Thanks to Jeremy Foyer, real estate lawyer. I know that rings a bell, not on purpose, but he's a great partner of ours that we send a lot of business to, and he'll look after your real estate law needs, okay? So we got a fancy Jets box from when I was a season ticket holder. Okay, there's your ballot. We'll shake the, oh, lost one. We'll shake that up. All right. Okay, we'll cover up some contact information. Steve Judge. Steve Judge, congratulations, you're going on date night. So thanks again for coming up and saying hi at the booth. We'll see you at the next show, and bye for now.